Hello, in this video you will learn how to make new words with the help of prefixes un, im, dis, and suffixes al and ous. However, there are no very strict rules on how to make new words with the help of these suffixes and prefixes, and most of the words you need to learn by heart. Look at this man. He is very friendly. But this man is unfriendly. This lady is saying thank you. She is very polite. But this young man is impolite. He's saying go to hell. This young woman always tells the truth. She's very honest. But look, this lady is not looking into her eyes when she's speaking. Maybe she's telling lies? Maybe she's dishonest. We make adjectives with opposite meaning with the help of prefixes un, im, dis. Repeat after me. Friendly, unfriendly. Happy, unhappy. Polite, impolite. Honest, dishonest. Look at this man. He's so obedient. He always agrees with other people. But this man is just the opposite. He's so argumentative. He always disagrees with other people. Take the key and lock the door. We need to go. Unlock the door. We need to get inside. So we make verbs with opposite meaning with the help of prefixes un and dis. Repeat after me. Agree, disagree. Like, dislike. Lock, unlock. Danger! There is a strong current in the sea. Cyanide is a deadly poison. This liquid is poisonous and dangerous. The Indian culture is very interesting. We need to understand cultural differences. So, we make adjectives from nouns with the help of suffixes ous and al. Repeat after me. Danger, dangerous. Poison, poisonous. Culture, cultural.